All right. The severe weather pretty much from that storm here, April 30th, 2014. And this, if it looks familiar, is Country Breeze, my neighborhood. Now I remember in the April monsoons back in 2009, this area was pretty heavily flooded, but it wasn't this bad. I just had a talk with the people over here and their garage is flooded, but it did not go in the house. Scotty, there's your house. And that just, if you remember, that's just a fucking hole there. If I were to go through that, I would probably be in waist deep water. Man, that is insane. And I just realized I am in my pajamas in the middle of a street. This awkward moment brought to you by not sleeping much last night. So you gotta look at that, about a couple inches off the tire. Yep. What a beauty. I can't walk much further because I'm wearing slippers, and plus all the cool stuff's right here. Man. I just hope this rain is done. The weather report says we could still have it for another couple hours. I'm pretty sure the heaviest stuff is done. But I mean, I remember during the April monsoons, this is exactly where the water came to, because you know this road just leads straight downhill. So all the running water pretty much ends up here. So, a little something for my YouTube fans, and maybe a little something to submit to our local media. Oh, and my lovely fiance is flying back to Austria today, so maybe she won't see any of this until she gets back home. From what I can tell, this road is still passable. You just got to make sure you stay on the road and not hit the ditch. Okay. I think that's good enough for what I'm going to do. Thank you and good night.